Once you watch this video, you will learn the only key to manifesting without fail. Once you learn and apply it, your manifestation will definitely come true. So don't miss or skip anything in this video, because it will make everything clear about how to manifest without failing. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to delve deeper into the concept of manifesting and share with you some practical tips on how to be good at it. Before starting, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. So let's start by defining what manifestation actually is. At its core, manifestation is the process of bringing your thoughts and desires into physical reality. It's based on the idea that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our experiences and create our reality. In other words, we attract into our lives what we focus our energy on. So how can we be good at manifesting? The answer is simple. We need to shift our mindset and start thinking and acting as if we already have what we want. This can be challenging for many of us, especially if we have limiting beliefs or self-doubt. However, it's important to remember that everyone has the ability to manifest, and it's just a matter of changing our thoughts and beliefs. Instead of getting caught up in different manifestation techniques and methods, we should focus on our own thoughts and beliefs. Every technique is designed to help us think as if we already have what we want. So why not just start thinking that way right now? This means repeating affirmations that support our desired outcome and visualizing ourselves already in possession of what we want. By doing this, we're already manifesting. One of the biggest obstacles to manifesting is self-doubt. We might find ourselves thinking things like, "This doesn't work for me," or "Manifesting is too hard." However, we need to understand that the law of attraction is always working, whether we're consciously trying to manifest or not. Every thought we have creates our reality. So if we're constantly thinking negative thoughts or doubting our ability to manifest, that's exactly what we'll experience. Let's say we're trying to manifest a new job, but we keep thinking, "I'm never going to find a good job," or "I'm not qualified for any good jobs." These negative thoughts are creating a reality in which we don't find a good job or we don't feel qualified. On the other hand, if we start thinking, "I am qualified for a great job," or "I am worthy of a fulfilling career," we'll begin to create a reality in which we do find a great job. It's important to understand that manifesting is not about trying to control every aspect of our lives. Rather, it's about aligning our thoughts and beliefs with the things we want, and then allowing the universe to bring those things into our lives in its own way and on its own timeline. This means we need to trust the process and have faith that what we desire will come to us at the right time and in the right way. Raising your vibration is an important aspect of manifesting because your energy level or vibration is directly linked to your ability to attract positive experiences into your life. Your vibration is determined by your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you're feeling good and positive, your vibration is high, which means you're more likely to attract positive experiences into your life. On the other hand, when you're feeling negative and low, your vibration is low, which means you're more likely to attract negative experiences. There are many ways to raise your vibration and improve your ability to manifest. One way to raise your vibration is by spending time in nature. Nature has a calming effect on the mind and body, which can help you feel more relaxed and at peace. When you're in a state of relaxation, you're more likely to have positive thoughts and emotions, which can raise your vibration. Another way to raise your vibration is by practicing gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of acknowledging and appreciating the good things in your life. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from what you don't have and onto what you do have. This can help you feel more positive and optimistic, which can raise your vibration. To practice gratitude, you could make a list of things that you're grateful for each day. This could be as simple as being thankful for a delicious meal, a warm bed to sleep in, or a good friend who makes you laugh. By focusing on the good things in your life, you'll begin to attract more positive experiences into your life. Listening to uplifting music is another way to raise your vibration. Music has a powerful effect on our emotions and can help us feel more energized and positive. Choose music that makes you feel good and energized, and listen to it whenever you need a boost of positive energy. Let's explore some examples to help illustrate this point. Let's say we want to manifest a romantic partner. Instead of focusing on all the things we think we need to do to find that partner, we should focus on our own thoughts and beliefs. We can start thinking and acting as if we're already in a loving relationship. We can imagine ourselves going on dates, laughing together, and sharing intimate moments. By doing this, we're aligning our energy with the frequency of love and attracting that love into our lives. Or let's say we want to manifest more money. Instead of worrying about how we're going to make more money or trying to control every aspect of our financial situation, we should focus on our own thoughts and beliefs. We can start thinking and acting as if we're already financially abundant. We can imagine ourselves enjoying the luxuries that money can bring, whether it's traveling the world, buying our dream home, or donating to charity. By doing this, we are aligning our energy with abundance and attracting more money into our lives. Trusting the universe is an essential aspect of the manifestation process. Trusting the universe means letting go of any attachment to the outcome. When you hold on to specific expectations, you create resistance to what the universe is trying to bring to you. This resistance can block your manifestation from coming to fruition. Instead, you need to surrender and trust that the universe knows what's best for you. Having faith that what you want is on its way to you requires a level of trust in the universe. This trust can be challenging, especially if you've experienced disappointment or setbacks in the past. However, having faith means believing that what you desire is possible, even if you can't see it yet. Trusting the universe also means trusting that everything is happening for your highest good. This requires a shift in perspective from seeing challenges and setbacks as obstacles to seeing them as opportunities for growth and learning. Sometimes the universe needs to remove certain things from your life to make space for what you truly desire. It doesn't mean you sit back and do nothing. It means taking action towards your desired outcome while releasing any attachment to the specific outcome. When you trust the universe, you open yourself up to infinite possibilities and opportunities that you may not have even considered before. For example, let's say you've set an intention to manifest a new job. You've visualized, believed, and taken action by updating your resume, networking, and applying for jobs. However, after a few weeks, you haven't heard back from any potential employers. You might start to feel discouraged and doubt that your manifestation will come to fruition. This is where trusting the universe comes in. Instead of giving up or forcing the outcome, you need to surrender and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring you the perfect opportunity at the right time. Manifesting is a powerful tool that can help us create the reality we desire. It's all about shifting our mindset and focusing our energy on the things we want instead of what we don't want. By changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can begin to attract what we desire into our lives. Remember, manifesting is not about controlling every aspect of our lives, but rather about aligning ourselves with the energy of what we desire and trusting that the universe will bring it to us at the right time and in the right way. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful in your own manifestation journey.